Now using the formula, I can write this as 3 into 3 power n minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 is equal to 120. So A is 729, 7th term is 64 means A7 is equal to 64, which can be written as A r power 6 is equal to 64. We need to insert two more numbers between these two numbers. So let me consider this term as A1, A2, A3, then this is A4. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. This is your Shruti ma'am lecturing in Vidhyaashram, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. So here in this session, we are going to take up few more problems on the geometric progression and the series, and we learn about the arithmetic and geometric mean here. So we have already learnt arithmetic and geometric mean here. Today we'll take few problems related to them. Now here in this session, next one, how many terms of GP 3, 3 square, 3 cube, 3 power 4 are needed to give the sum 120. So here the first term is 3, the common ratio is also 3. So therefore A is equal to 3 and R is equal to 3, R is greater than 1 here. They have given Sn is equal to 120. Now using the formula, I can write this as 3 into 3 power n minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 is equal to 120. So which becomes 3 to the power n minus 1, 120 into 3 minus 1 is 2, which goes to the numerator, divided by 3 here. So 3 1s are, 3 4s are, 0s are. 40 into 2 is 80. Now 3 power n is equal to 81, and 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4. So therefore n is equal to 4. So therefore, if we add the first 4 terms, we will get the sum as 120. Next question. The sum of first 3 and the sum of terms of a GP is 16. And the sum of the next 3 terms is 128. Determine the first term, common ratio, and the sum of n terms of the GP. So first 3 terms is AR square, which is 16. Next 3 terms, AR cube, AR power 4, AR power 5 is equal to 128. Now we need to find out A, R and the sum. So here I'll take R cube outside, then I'll get AR square is equal to 128. Now R cube, this is nothing but 16. So 16 is equal to 128. So therefore, R cube is equal to 128 divided by 16. So which is equal to 8, which can be written as 2 cube. So therefore, the value of R is equal to 2 here. Now if we substitute R is equal to 2 in any one of the equation, then this implies A plus 2A plus 4A is equal to 16. So therefore, we will get the value of A is equal to 16 by 7. Now we have A value 16 by 7 and R is 2, which is greater than 1. So therefore, next one, given a GP with A is equal to 729 and 7th term is 64, determine S7. So A is 729, 7th term is 64 means A7 is equal to 64. Which can be written as A r power 6 is equal to 64. 729 into r power 6 is equal to 64. R power 6 is equal to 64 divided by 729, which can be written as 2 power 6 divided by 3 power 6 or 2 by 3 whole power 6. Now the powers are same, so therefore the value of R can be taken as 2 by 3. Now, R is equal to 2 by 3 here. The first term is given. So, let us determine S7 is equal to 729. Now, since R is less than 1 here, 1 minus 2 by 3 whole to the power 7 divided by 1 minus 2 by 3. So, solving this will get 729 into 1 minus 2 power 7, 3 power 7 divided by 1 by 3. We know 729 is 3 power 6. So 1 by 3 when it multiplies it becomes 3 power 7. And here if we evaluate this fraction, we'll get 3 power 7 minus 2 power 7 divided by 3 power 7. We can cancel this. So subtracting 2 power 7 from 3 power 7, that is 2187 minus 128. The value is equal to 2059. Next question. Find a GP for which the sum of first two term is minus 4 and the fifth term is 4 times the third term. So first two terms means A1 plus A2 is equal to minus 4. Also they have given A5 is equal to 4 times the third term, A3. Now here A1 is nothing but A, A2 is nothing but AR, which is equal to minus 4. Or we can take A into 1 minus 1 plus R is equal to minus 4 here. Now here if we take A5, it is AR power 4 is equal to 4 times into AR square. So A get cancels, R square get cancelled. So R square is equal to 4, R is equal to plus or minus 2. Now depending upon R is equal to plus 2 or minus 2, so here if R is equal to 2, then A is equal to, so 1 plus 2 is 3, which becomes minus 4 by 3. So this implies the GP is AR. So AR square, so 4 minus 16 by 3. So the GP will be this. Now if we take R is equal to minus 2, then here A will be equal to 4. So then the resulting GP will be 4. 4 into minus 2, minus 8. Next 4 into 4, 16, etc. So depending upon the value of R, we will get two types of geometric progression here. Next one, find the sum of n terms of the sequence 8, 88, 888, 8888, etc. So Sn is equal to 8 plus 88 plus 888. So let's stop up till n terms here. So now here I'll take 8 as a common factor, then I'll get 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 until n terms. Then here I'll multiply by 9 and I'll divide by 9. So then this is 9, 99, 999 plus etc. until n terms. Now here 9 can be written as 10 minus 1, 99 can be written as 10 square minus 1, 999 can be written as 10 cube minus 1 until n terms. Now separate tens and ones here. So we have 8 by 9 into 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus etc. until n terms, and minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 until n terms. So now here we have 8 by 9. Clearly 10, 10 square, 10 cube, etc. This is in the form of a GP where first term is 10, common ratio is also 10. So therefore this is 10 into 10 power n minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1. Next we have minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 n times, which is minus n. So this is equal to 8 by 9 into 10 divided by 9 into 10 power n minus 1 minus n. So this will be the general term to find the sum of the series. Next one, find 4 numbers forming a geometric progression in which the third term is greater than the first term by 9 and the second term is greater than the fourth term by 18. So here the third term A3 is greater than the first term by 9. And next they have given the second term is greater than the fourth term by 18. Now if we solve this, AR square is equal to A plus 9, or here AR square minus A is equal to 9, or AR square minus 1 is equal to 9. Let's take this as equation 1. Now let's solve this. AR is equal to AR cube plus 18. AR minus AR cube is equal to 18. If I take minus A outside and R outside, then I'll get R square minus 1 is equal to 18. Or I can write AR into R square minus 1 is equal to minus 18. Let's take this as equation 2. Now let us divide equation 2 by equation 1. Equation 2 by equation 1 implies AR R square minus 1 divided by AR square minus 1 is equal to minus 18 by 9. A cancels, R square minus 1 cancels, 9 and 18 get cancelled, we'll get this as minus 2. So therefore R value is minus 2. Now substitute R is equal to minus 2 in any one of the equation. I'll consider this equation. AR square is equal to A plus 9. So A 4 here, A plus 9, 3A is equal to 9, A is equal to 3. So A is equal to 3 and R is equal to minus 2. So therefore the 4 numbers of the geometric progression. So the first term is AR cube and AR power 4. So which will be 3 square, 3 cube and 3 power 4. So we can also write the values as 3, 9, 27 and 81. So these are the 4 terms of the given GP. Next question. Insert 2 numbers between 3 and 81 so that the resulting sequence is GP. So we need to insert 2 more numbers between these 2 numbers. So let me consider this term as A1, A2, A3, then this is A4. Now A4 is equal to 81 means AR cube is equal to 81. A is this, the first term. So R cube is equal to 81 by 3, which is equal to 27, which can also be written as 3 cube. So therefore R is equal to 3. Now the second term of GP is AR, third term is AR square. So therefore the numbers are A into R. So that is 3 into 3, which is 9, and 3 into 3 into 3, 27. So therefore these 2 are the numbers. Next, if AM and GM of 2 positive numbers A and B are 10 and 8 respectively, find the numbers. We know that arithmetic mean of 2 numbers is A plus B by 2, given it as 10. Geometric mean of 2 numbers is square root of AB, which is equal to 8. So solving this, we get A plus B is equal to 20 and AB is equal to, squaring on both sides, we'll get 64. We know the relation that A minus B whole square is equal to A plus B whole square minus 4AB. A plus B whole square is 20 square minus 4 into 64. So which is 400 minus 256, which is equal to 144. Since the mean between 2 positive numbers are given, so here A minus B will be equal to square root of 144, which is equal to 12. Now let me consider this as 1, this as 2 and this as 3. Let me solve A plus B equals 20 and A minus B equals 12. So adding 1 and 3, we will get 2A is equal to 20 plus 12, 32. So which implies A is equal to 16. Now if I substitute A is equal to 16 in any one of the equation, or let me consider equation 1, then I'll get B is equal to 20 minus 6, 4. So therefore the numbers are 16 and 4. So thus in today's session we have taken the sum of n terms of GP and the problems related to it. I'll meet you in the next session. Until then, keep watching, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you.